Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, before we jump into the video, I realized that I got a new subscriber. I just want to say thank you for subscribing. We really appreciate it. Guys, on today's video we'll be looking on the fly cage, or better yet, we'll be looking in the pen from the outside. Now if you look in the pen, very colorful. Honestly, what going in there, we have cockatiel out, we have parrot out, and we even have a lovebird out of their cage. Now guys, yesterday the cockatiel, they managed to escape their cage just the same, and then today they did the same again. So from the look of it, you can see that the flight cage for the cockatiel pen is open, and currently there are 4 birds in the flight cage, which means that majority of them have flown out. But guys, can I tell you how thankful I am for this comb? Prior to this, before we build the comb, we did have a 9 cubicle that we used to raise both every one of them, budgie, lovebird and cockatiel. And one day we had a pen, one of the cage full of fisher, blue mass, black mass, diluted blue, lovebird. And guys, we fed the birds the morning. He fed them and we went to church. So when we returned, guys, only the diluted blue remained. And I think the only reason why she had remained was because she had a young baby in box, and them staying in them box and take care, right? Everybody else gone. So it was then, not really then, I think after that we had experienced some other losses, and so we decided it's better to be safe than sorry. And so that's how this cube has come about. And so we decided to build it. And me not lie to you, it saved us a lot, because imagine me get up this morning and go out there without having a cube. The whole of them cockatiel are gone, guys. Can you imagine that? See the Lutino bird, Lutino lovebird, the 2 parrots them on top of the budgie pen. Guys, imagine me never on no cube. Guys, me with that ball. It's more than 6 now. 2, 4, 6, 8. About 8 of them out. I know how much. Say 2 yes, sir. 4, 6, 8 missing. Well, guys, are 8 of them missing. So that means there are 12 birds having a flight cage. I don't even know. But guys, me don't know what one. Them pen a fly, but every minute it fly, and so it fly, so them fly out. The 2 right here, like them Thursday, so them want to go back home, but I don't know what's going on with them, why they not return. But guys, I was able to capture all 8 of them, including the lovebird, and place them back in their respective cage. But never really trouble the parrot them, cause can't bother with them. The big one, him kind of aggressive, Him aggressive with me, but with the hubby is not. Sometimes allow him to be out, and honestly say him can pull him one cage, so it would be like a repetitive thing where every single day I have to go in and catch him. So just allow him to do him thing. But guys, I want to say thank you for watching my video. I enjoy having you guys here. before you guys go, please remember to like, subscribe, turn on their post notification bell to be notified each time my videos drop. Guys, remember to tell a friend, to tell another friend, to tell another friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. If you tell all of them friends about me and my pets TV, because guys, without you guys this channel cannot grow. So just continue to show the love that you have been showing thus far, and continue to spread the word, because I do believe my channel is educational. Sometimes I do babble. You don't know the English word, but it's very educational at majority of the time. So just get in some people, then run in and like up the video them, so we can grow as a family, as a unit. Like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time of videos.